Alright people, today I'm doing a second video, part 2 on this diagnostic for this 2017 BMW 440i, and this one here comes with the b58 engine. And after swapping plugs and coils and injectors, it turned out that the number 6 cylinder still had the misfire, so I decided to take the intake off to get an inspection on the valve. And once I did that, I did notice a lot of oil inside of the intake pipe and also inside of the intake itself, and that was probably from the high pressure of the of the crankcase from all the boosts and the program and tuning that this engine went through. So I did check the PCV valve. It looked pretty good, but at first I thought maybe because I had all of this maybe I had all this oil on the valve, sitting on top of the valve because it was closed at the time. I said maybe it was coming from the seal, maybe the seal over here and it started leaking. But as I did a leak down test on it, I can clearly see that it was not coming out of the valve, and I can hear it coming out of the crankcase. So definitely this is a piston ring problem, and I will be taking the head off of this car, of this engine. I'll have to take the whole engine out along with the transmission, because I recommend that you take the transmission out in order to get this engine out. So I don't want to take no shortcut. I'm going to do it right, because usually you try to take a shortcut and you end up fighting to get the job done. So I'm going to do it the way it's supposed to be done. And when I get the head off and the piston out, I'll make another video and I will show you guys the damages that happened inside of the cylinder number 6. So I was getting a misfire, dead misfire, number 6, cleared out, come right back, check engine light on, cylinder 6 shut down, fuel injector codes, and this is the end result right now. So I will make another video for you guys when I get the head off and the piston out. Alright, give me a thumbs up and a like, people, and I will see you guys on the next video.